And on the far side, the striker par excellence.
Let me first start with how I started my day today. I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning, being sick. I spent some time in the hospital this morning. Means not being able to prepare the game fully fit with 1, 2. The first 20 minutes of the game, I think was very composed. They tried to have a very organized defense, and they had difficulties breaking that. In the game, always at the moment you step out of that organization, things will open up. There were some small chances from the other team. The goal is a typical example of, and then actually I'm going to the next step, is that I want to play in a composed way, but on the ball, our possession is absolutely still not the way I want it, and the creativity on the midfield is essential in that. Part of that is also fitness, especially on a few players. But you need to have the guts, the trust to get the ball into the midfield and play from there. But again, this is also quality, so I don't blame any players on that, but that's the process that takes some time. The goal, like I said, it was, they tried to play football, but we lost the ball in the midfield on the holding position. From there, the ball went to the side, they crossed it, and the striker was